So welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to capture clean audio signals directly from your keyboard into your phone, whether you're using iOS or Android. Now, to get started, you need some accessories, and the first one and the most important one is this MIDI cable, in which some people call printer cable, but note this is a MIDI cable, and this MIDI cable is going to get connected to the keyboard, and this other part will be attached to an adapter that will be connected to your phone. If you look at the back of this keyboard, you will see a USB host port where you can connect this part of the cable into, and it will send both MIDI data and audio signal. So if you're using an iOS device with lightning port, you will need an adapter just like this. So this other end is going to go into your iPhone or your iPad. Then this other end is where this part will be attached to. This other end of this USB will be attached to, and this one will go into your keyboard, then this end into your phone. So just like this. So if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone with Type-C port, you will need an OTG adapter just like this. Then this other end is going to go into this port. So it's important to note that if you're using an Android phone, that sometimes this Android phone's default camera might not receive the audio signal directly from the keyboard. So you need to download an external app called Open Camera on Play Store so that your camera can now pick the external microphone, which is the audio interface, as a source. So once you download Open Camera on your phone, you want to go to settings, then you want to go to video settings. On the video settings, you want to go to audio source and make sure it's on external. So once you've done every of those settings, it should function normally. Lastly, if you want to use this keyboard as an audio interface with your laptop, all you have to do is to go to Yamaha's site and download the USB driver, and your laptop will automatically see this keyboard as an audio interface in your DAW or your speaker output. So if you're wondering what are the other cables I have at the back of the keyboard, just know that this is just an headphone connected to it. So this is just a mic cable connected, which is SLR to TS, and I set the gain to about 50% or 60%. So I'll be doing a test with this iPhone, then I'll be playing a default song that's been recorded on this keyboard so that we can see the quality of audio signals that will be sent directly into the phone. So the sound you'll be hearing, first of all, will be sound that my SM7B mic will be picking up, then later I'll play what was recorded directly into the phone. Now, this is the sound directly from the phone. Okay, so the next part, I'll be using this Android phone, and I'll be using the USB OTG to record. So whatever audio you will hear first is the audio my Shure XM7B is picking up before I play what was recorded directly into the phone. So now I'll be playing what was recorded directly into this phone. So basically, that's how to capture audio directly from your keyboard that has audio interface into your Android or your iOS. Also, with this video, you're able to determine whether the audio quality captured on the iOS is better than the Android or vice versa.